For the English version, there's something which is not added. If you are in the fasting, the Sita Shawwal and then the 3 additional days, that's the 9 days, then you are going to recite Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah, 126. Salat ala Nabi, Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa sallim, or Salat al-Ibrahimiyya, or Salat al-Sakarari, Salat al-Fatih, or Tunjinabiya. Then you recite it, that one, 106. Then you recite Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa adahu la sharika lahu wa ashhadu anna Muhammad Rasulullah. You recite that one 101 every time. You can do it after every prayers. Every prayers you do it within the 6 days or the 9. After the 6 days, then there's additional 3 days fasting. Then when you finish that one, then you recite Ya Inna Tenakal Kausar. Inna Tenakal Kausar 72. Then you recite Ya Ba Sitiya Wadud. Ya Ba Sitiya Wadud 6. So you continue that one in the fasting. So you do the 6 days fasting. If you can, after you finish, then you give space of 1 day, then you add the additional 3 days, so that you'll be among the people they are going to give auction sale from God. Anything that you want. If you want, you can pray for your son to be a renowned footballer, or you can pray for him to be a president, and you can do anything with the intention, or a pregnant woman, or yourself, anything that you want, you do it. So you do the 6 days fasting first. When you finish that one, then you make sure that you do the additional 3 days. It's very important if you are able to do the last one. The other one, the 3 days, one is for Angel Jibril. Thanks for Angel Jibril. The second one is thanks to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the third one is thanks to your 2 parents, that's your father and mother. So you thank God by giving him 30. Then you thank Angel Jibril by giving him 1, Prophet Muhammad by giving him 1, your parents too by giving them half, which is cost 1. Very, very important. And everything will be solid and be the most successful person here and the year after. Assalamu alaikum.